Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name's Septian Ependi. I'm from Chemical Engineering Polytechnic LPP of Yogyakarta. Now I will present about argumentative essay entitled The Effect of Online Learning. The COVID-19 pandemic that has hit the world for more than 10 months has an impact on changing teaching and learning activities. This country is not exception. Since mid-March, online learning activities has been the choice of the Ministry of Education and Culture to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. There are no more teaching and learning activities in the classroom as is usually done by educator, teacher and lecturer. The right step but without adequate preparation. As a result, many educators stutter in the face of this strict change. Meanwhile, there is practically no other way to minimize the spread of COVID-19 other than by limiting the number of encounters with humans. This very fast change, without being accompanied by adequate preparation beforehand, as a result many people and stuttering to face it. This was also acknowledged by the Minister of Education and Culture, Nadiem Makarim. Online learning that has not been properly prepared certainly has an impact on the learning methods used by educators. Likewise, student acceptance of learning is also very diverse. Often they do not understand the material or delivery from the teacher. Especially parent or guardian of students must again experience a wonderful learning shocks. Parents who are busy working are forced to accompany their children after hours of online study. I think the impact of online learning has both positive and negative impacts. The positive impact is, first, can adjust the time. In learning at home, I can adjust my time flexibly, such as when doing schoolwork, helping parents, resting, and other. Second, increase more insight and ability to use various applications in the learning process. At first, I didn't know what the application Zoom. Through distance learning, I became familiar with the application Zoom to learn. This application allows you to communicate with several people without meeting in person. Meanwhile, the negative impact is, first, complicates. Everything is completely online, starting from learning module lesson, practice question, college assessment, discuss with friends, and even tests. Even though the system online makes it easier for a lot of work, in the learning process, we get additional work, namely making and sending photos, videos, downloading material, and uploading tasks that have been done long time in the process. Second, the limit of handing over the task too fast. Almost every day, I have assessment that must be completed and submitted that very day. I get dizzy if I'm still doing my assessment and then I have other assessment to turn in at the same time. As a result, I was late in submitting assessment. From the above discussion, it can be concluded that online learning has both positive and negative sides that can have an impact on its user. Therefore, by looking at the effect of online learning, user must be smarter in responding to it. The reason I choose this topic is because I have the impact of online learning. Online learning makes me confused and also troublesome because it has to be with a good device and also with a stable network. That's all I can say. If there is an error, I apologize. I am Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.